So as a comparison to my 89 Jeep Wrangler YJ with the 4.2 liter inline 6 and the 5-speed standard transmission, this here's my 2004 Ford Explorer, the 4 liter V6 and the automatic 5-speed transmission, 4-speed with overdrive, 5-speed. And as you could see, we're cruising, well, before I got off the freeway there, 70 miles an hour right at 2,000 RPM. The Jeep will probably do that about 2,400 RPM. So not a whole lot difference. The main difference is this vehicle has plenty of torque and power to hit 70 miles an hour on an on-ramp, before you hit the freeway. So you're up to cruising speeds, whereas the Jeep can't do that. You might be lucky if the Jeep can hit 50 or 55 by the time we hit the freeway from the on-ramp. So it definitely takes that one a lot longer to get up to speed. But anyways, just a quick comparison.